Ever wondered if there's a magic ingredient to living a healthier, more vibrant life? You're not alone. Many of us dream of a life filled with energy and vitality, but the path to achieving it often seems elusive. The truth is, the key to unlocking this vibrant life isn't hidden in a magic potion or a mythical elixir. It's right there on your plate, in the choices you make every day. The secret lies in what you eat, and we're here to reveal 7 superfoods that pack a punch far beyond their size. First up, chia seeds, tiny powerhouses brimming with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, perfect for boosting your morning routine. A spoonful in your smoothie or morning oatmeal and you're kickstarting your day with a boost of energy that's sure to carry you through. Then we have kale, not just a trend but a leafy green superhero. This superfood is rich in vitamins K, A, and C, providing a shield against illnesses and keeping your bones strong. A handful of kale in your salad or a green smoothie is more than enough to reap its benefits. Next, let's talk about berries. These small, colorful fruits are high in antioxidants that combat aging and boost your brain. Whether you're a fan of blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, incorporating them into your diet can do wonders. Moving on to quinoa, the ancient grain. This superfood offers a complete protein profile for muscle repair and growth. It's gluten-free and a great source of magnesium and manganese, essential for energy production and bone health. Mix it into salads or use it as a rice substitute for a nutrient-rich meal. Halfway through our list, we find avocado, the 5th contender, stealing the show with heart-healthy fats. This creamy fruit makes every meal an opportunity to nourish your body and soul. Add it to your toast or whip up a quick guacamole for a delicious and healthy treat. Nuts and seeds, our 6th secret, offer unmatched mineral content. They're packed with healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, reducing inflammation and supporting heart health. Sprinkle them on your salads, blend them into smoothies, or simply enjoy them as a quick snack. Lastly, turmeric, the golden spice, not only adds flavor, but acts as a powerful anti-inflammatory agent and antioxidant. A dash in your soups, stews, or even teas can help fight inflammation, boost brain function, and lower the risk of heart disease. Each of these 7 superfoods brings unique health benefits to the table. By incorporating them into your daily diet, you're not just eating, but nourishing your body, fueling it with the best nature has to offer. And remember, the journey to extraordinary health transformations begins with a single step. So why not start today? After all, a healthier, more vibrant life is just a superfood away. Incorporate these superfoods into your diet and watch as they work their magic, bringing you closer to the health and vitality you deserve. Imagine a life where every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and soul, a life where food is your ally in the quest for well-being. These 7 superfoods are not just ingredients, they are your secret weapons in the battle for better health. They are your allies, offering a bounty of nutrients, minerals, and antioxidants that your body craves. Chia seeds, kale, berries, quinoa, avocado, nuts and seeds, and turmeric. They're more than just names on a grocery list. They are the keys to unlocking a healthier, more vibrant version of yourself. The potential for transformation is immense. It's not about a quick fix, but a lasting change that starts with the choices you make at the dining table. Ready to revolutionize your health? Start today and let these 7 superfoods lead the way to a better you.